All right, I just finished getting this in the mail maybe 2 minutes ago. So this is the unboxing. It says iFlight Chimer7 Pro V2 for the 04 Pro. So I'm gonna do an unboxing, see what we got. All right, take a gander up in here. Now the box is really small. I mean, my hands are kind of big, but the box is small. There we go. Ooh, pretty. Got your straps, GoPro mount, got the rear connector and antenna mounts. Have the panels for the sides with LEDs. I didn't know they were included. That's pretty awesome. Got a battery thingy, sticky pad, another strap. Got some, I thought these were TPU. They're not TPU, they're actually hard plastic. They're pads for the legs, for the landing. Yeah, they're not TPU. Pretty nice. Got some mounts for the camera. And looks like a antenna adapter for like an ELRS. Well, maybe might as well open it up. Oh yeah, here we go. So here we have a mount, the rubber mount for the 04 camera. We have, looks like a something for an LED light, antenna adapter, buzzer adapter, GPS adapter, and ELRS adapter. Nice. We have the tool for the GoPro and the screw for the GoPro. Then we have, oh, there's a, awesome, there's even a little LED board for the side lights, which is awesome, and gives you another port for lights. Got the XT60 connector. Got two adapters for the antennas. That's pretty nice. Even got a little cable for the LED board. Some little pads. Even has wires for the flight control. I mean, yeah, for the flight controller. That's pretty awesome. Oh, it's got the nice. He's got the longer MIPI cable for the 04 Pro, which is really nice. Check that out. What else is in the baggies? More of these wire protectors. Buzzer. It comes with a buzzer. That's pretty nice. More of these little guys. Another one of these antenna adapters. Looks like a hardware kit. So here's the stand-up posts. Here's the screws and nuts. More posts. A lot of screws on this frame. There we go. More screws. More screws. And more screws. And they're labeled, so that helps. Guess I'll put these back in here. I don't want to lose these. Okay, what else do we have? We have the aluminum mount for the 04 Pro. Nice. Another battery pad. That's nice. And of course, the frame. We have some decals. Then we have a build sheet or instructions. Oh, nice. Cool. And then let's tear this open and see what's in here. All right, here we go. Now this is a dead cat frame, so got the bottom piece, and there's the light for the iFlight. If you were wondering what that white thing was, where is it? This little guy goes in here, and you can put an LED in there, and it'll light up the iFlight logo. Okay, so there's that. It says 7 Pro V2. There we go. So the dead cat arms, I'll figure out how to put this together. Buzzer spot right there. pretty nice. So the short arms, the front arms, the back arms, and the chassis components. Bottom plate, top plate, and then that the plate that goes between these. So awesome. I'm excited to get this build going. I'll throw the 04 Pro in there, and I've got some FPV cycle 28mm motors that's going in here. So thanks for watching if you stuck around this long. Pretty excited. So thanks for watching. Again, this is a Dead Cat Chimer7 Pro 04 version Pro. So thanks again for watching.